What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. This is John's Daily Hustle. So in today's video, you guys are going to get to see first impressions of the Exmark Radius, as well as you'll get to see my wife Catherine use this for the first time, and she needs a little practice on it in the beginning here, so don't judge her too hard. She's still getting used to it. This is a lot different than running the Exmark Quest here, our residential one. So bear with us here, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. What's up? Good morning, guys. John here from Fields Lawn Care and Landscape out of Springfield, Missouri. You guys know the channel, John's Daily Hustle. So today we're going to be doing a couple of properties we're going to mow. I don't know if I'm going to split it up or not, or just show you all of it, but we have to get the morning started right. We got some breakfast. We got to have a good stomach, good full stomach before you start the day. So feeling pretty good. It was definitely hitting good. Somebody doesn't like their sweet tea, but we're going to get to this next property and we're going to start mowing, and we'll bring you guys along for the day. You guys ever get the feeling where after you just have a good breakfast and everything, you know, the right music playing on the radio, you just feel good for the day? It's going to be a good day. That's the kind of day we're having already, so I'm pretty excited to see how the day is going to go. So we'll see you when we get there. So she's getting the hang of using it. Sure does look good. Good looking mower right there. Good looking mower right there. You guys caught that, but she just opened it up, the shoe blocker. Works really good. It's the OCB by Exmark operator controlled shoe blocker. She's doing stunts. She went one-handed. See you guys in the X Games. Anyways, this is kind of a bad angle on the grass, and there's no sun out, so you don't see the stripes. But man, this mower cuts really good. Zoom in so you guys can see her flip the shoe blocker open. See, it's closed. Yeah, partially closed. Let's see if she opens it. Not utilizing that deck space. Oh Lord. And open. Oh yeah. As you can see, that cut quality of that, pretty damn good. So here we go, guys. Got this fire pit here. I'm moving all these chairs for him. It's about the only part about this. We got this one done. On to the next one. Alright, so we got this big property here. It's not that big, but it's a little big. Mower's doing pretty good. We actually have quite a lot to do here. You can see we'll come back to clear that out in that shed. They actually want the shed going down. We may do that. We'll be doing a gutter clean out here. So that bush right over here we're going to take out. We have a burn pile here. We're going to clear out all this eventually. We have a little bit of a landscaping done here. They want that removed. And we'll be doing gutter clean outs here. So So while she's mowing, I'm gonna get on the weed eater. That's one for the day. We just picked this up. It's right around the corner from our house. We actually live. That red house right over there. But it doesn't really need it. It just needs like the top knocked off as it's too hot. But we're gonna knock it off, and this will be probably every 2 weeks of a mow. It's done already. She's laying them stripes even in this dead grass and weeds. And I'm gonna have to reblow over there, but that's okay. So as you guys seen, this thing is an absolute beast, and we both love it. So it took my wife a little bit to get used to it, as it did myself. The one thing that we really need to get used to is that darn parking brake that it has on it. We keep forgetting that it has a parking brake, and you have to release it before you put the arms in. Anyways, we had a great time. It's a lot of fun. It's very comfortable. I shouldn't really say it's that fun. I mean, we're working, right? But it is pretty fun to ride compared to, like I keep saying, compared to our starter zero turn anyway. So we're very happy with it. We're very pleased with it. So we did a lot of mowing with it all day today, and we did a lot of recording. So I think the next video you guys will see will be more video, more footage of me actually using it. Pretty soon you guys are going to see a review of it. And you guys are going to see all kinds of footage with it. As I said, it's going to be pretty much my main mower now. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.